This is a 2006 Toyota Tacoma double cab pre-runner with 102,000 miles. Phenomenal condition. Silver exterior is in amazing, wonderful condition. Needs absolutely nothing. You will be lucky to find a door ding on this truck. It is very, very, very clean. Tow package, bed liner, the vehicle is running. Gray cloth interior is like new. Original floor mats. Automatic transmission, two-wheel drive, 102,000 miles. It has a low tire, it looks like. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. The video and pictures do not do this truck justice. It is that clean, rust-free. So this is a 2006 Toyota Tacoma double cab pre-runner, 102,000 miles. Needs absolutely nothing, in amazing condition for its age.